Kramer here, coming to you live from Panama City Beach, Harley-Davidson, and if I got a bike for you. You got a gearhead amongst your mitts, somebody that really likes power, maybe some torque? This is one bad motherfucker. This is the 2020 Eagle Eye in beautiful yellow fuse. This bike is one of 990 in the continental United States. We've done something a little extra special with this. If you notice, we've dropped in a 131 kit, a stage 4 Screamin Eagle kit. This has your CNC ported heads, bigger bore, bigger pistons, bigger cam, larger throttle body, and this is all under warranty. Every part on here is Screamin Eagle factory accessories. And this bike dynos out at 124 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds torque. This bike screams freedom with that beautiful eagle across the tank, stretching onto the front fairing, and Harley-Davidson embossed on the back saddlebags. This bike started as a Road Glide special, but now it's a Road Glide extra special with that 131 kit. This bike comes specially equipped with a Mustang seat, 2 up. Guys, this bike is a must-see and it won't last long. So come on down, grab myself or any one of our qualified sales reps, and let's take this beast out for a ride. This is Kramer, and I'm still in your corner. See ya!